Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. This video is meant for CA final new syllabus students and also the students who have converted from CA final old syllabus to new syllabus recently. My dear students, hope that all of you are aware that ICAI has released the updated study material for the subject of SCMP, that is Strategic Cost Management and Performance Evaluation. I hope that all of you are aware of the significance of this subject. In your group 2, this is the first paper in which you are going to write your exam. For any reason, if you are unable to write this exam well, then its impact will fall on all the further subjects of group 2. That's why we have to be very strong in this particular subject. Unfortunately, several faculty who are teaching this particular subject are dealing this as more of a problematic paper, but frankly speaking, it is more of a theory paper. I have seen even some faculty who are teaching large number of problems rather than focusing on interpretation and theory. Unfortunately, even students are also believing that since I have solved a large number of problems, my coaching is good. No, it's very unfortunate. You are not aligning your coaching with that of examination standards. So you need to cross check whether what is being taught to you is according to the examination requirements or not. Anyhow, since the study material has got completely changed, I have inquired with my faculty, does just few problems have got added or few theory content has got added, or there are any changes even in the approach? The response given by our faculty is that there are large number of areas where CA Institute has not only added few problems, not only added few theoretical concepts, but also they have changed their approach completely in various areas. To address this issue, that means to teach all these areas, we have decided to conduct a SCMP crash batch. In this crash batch, our prime focus is on all the changes, all the additions done in ICAI latest edition of study material. If any of your friends are also interested to take admission into this batch, please inform them. So we will be revising all the chapters and our prime focus will be on all the latest additions and modifications done by ICAI. Faculty will be Mr. C.A. Prasanna Kumar sir from Hyderabad with 8 years of experience. Batch will be conducted from 7th April to 14th April. So class timings on 7th April, morning 9 to 12 am, that is 12 noon, and 3 pm to 6 pm. On 8th April, 9 am to 12:30 pm and 2:30 pm to 6 pm. So from 9th April onwards, classes will be conducted from 9 am to 12 pm. So 2 to 5 pm and 5:30 pm to 7 pm. And these are the most probable dates and timings. If there is a change, we will inform you. So totally we are going to teach for 60 hours. Venue will be Vodafone Campus 4/9 Prodipet Guntur AC classroom. So coaching fee 3,500 rupees and it is going to be same for all the categories of students. We will even provide free material to all the students who join in this batch. So if you are already an existing student who is already attending study hours and revision exams at CA final, then you can directly go to our cash counter and you can pay the amount by in the name of this accounting head. The accounting head is CARCMA. So final tuition or coaching fee hyphen rapid revision batch. If you are coming afresh, that means you are not an existing student, then you need to go and meet our counseling department and need to pay the fee. So classes will be conducted in physical mode, that is at Vodafone Campus. In the morning session of April 7th, that is from 9 am to 12 am, students can attend classes without paying the fee. From afternoon session, that means we are going to provide free entry. So from afternoon session, that is from 2:30 pm to 6 pm on 7th April, we will allow such students only on payment of fee. So this facility is not available for students who are joining on subsequent days. And please remind, if we get more number of admissions on the first day itself, then we will withdraw this facility of free admission on the first day, on the first half day. So I request all of you to inform the same with your friends, and if you are interested to join in this particular batch, take the admission immediately. If you are interested to join, then you need to contact the mobile number 988125025025 or 26. And my dear students, if you have appeared for CA final examinations recently, then irrespective of your confidence levels, irrespective of how confident you are about your performance, please apply for certified copies. So check the mistakes committed by you and take some corrective action to see that you don't commit the same mistake again. All the best.